Hi guys, Therese here. Hindi pa ba na ako nag-uumpisa? Pawis na ako. If you have seen my Back to Manila vlog, you would probably know how much things I have. So I really have to declutter and remove everything that I'm not using. But, ang hirap guys. I still have some clothes here up to there. There's so much bottoms in here. And these are all the things from my condo. Let's start decluttering this first before this one. Tried some of the clothes that I haven't worn for a long time because I gained so much this quarantine. And it was so fun trying out everything.
Upo ka sa floor. Ano sayang para mapunit eh.
So guys, ang dami ko nung sinukat, tapos di ko na sila kasya. Tapos na-reach ko na yung threshold ko. Wala na talaga guys. Yun lang talaga yung kaya kong pamigay. Ayan, yung mga wala dito sa foam. Yan pa lang. Tapos itong mga to, tsaka itong nandito. Parang, I can't let go. Ang hirap talaga mag-let go, diba? Sige, bibigay ko na to. Hindi ko kaya. I need this. Then we're finally done. Just a little more in here, but we're done. That was another vlog of me just cleaning up and packing my clothes because I just wanted to show you how much clothes I have, and I wanted to ask you guys who I should copy or what boy group or girl group should I copy, because I really want to do what Q2Han always does in their YouTube channel where they recreate K-pop idols, outfits, and everything. So let's try it out with the clothes that I have. I don't want to buy anything new. I just want to make use of what I have. So let's see who I could recreate with the comments that you would leave down below. So leave a comment down below of whose outfit should I copy. And I also will have another video where I will show you guys all my sunglasses. Those are just a few. I have so much in the cabinet and everywhere here in the house. So let's make a sunglasses video where I show you my sunglasses collection. So I guess that's it. I have so much things to clean up and I'm gonna wash up because I didn't notice that it was nighttime already. So there. I'm so happy that I got to fix all my clothes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Bye!